How he invites, I'll tell you. How he has invited. That was the amazing turn in the life. What was that? That was in 1977 at Delhi, All India Institute of Medical Sciences. We were residing in one of the accommodations there given to the faculty. One fine morning, maybe somewhere around February, March, I don't exactly remember, there, the open balcony, the newspaper used to be thrown. And because of the sound, I used to open the door and take the newspaper. On that day also there was. But suddenly, I found a small bill which is being inserted under the door into the balcony. I just looked at that bill. You know what it says, that pamphlet? Visit of Bhagavan Satyasai Baba to Delhi at Talkatora Gardens and also at the Lodi Road. I suddenly looked at it, and then I told my wife, there is an invitation like this. And then when little bit round about 9-10, I inquired with all my colleagues who are in the campus whether they have received. None of them have received except our house. The only one pamphlet that has come into our house. I must go and see him at any cost. And there was a Nagar Sankirtan followed by a visit and everything at Talkatora Gardens and everything. So because I have got two small children, I told my wife, you stay with the children. I will go in Nagar Sankirtan and come back. So I, along with my friend, we went at 4 o'clock to Nagar Sankirtan to Lodi Road. At that time, Sohan Lal's building, Swami used to stay, Lodi Road. How beautiful Nagar Sankirtan. And Swami in the white robes stood in the balcony and blessed all of us. I rang up, asked my friend to go home and tell my wife, I will be going directly to Talkatora Gardens, I will not come home, I will go directly. You go back because you have got to work. So he came back because he left his vehicle in our campus. He came to my home to tell my wife that I have gone directly. You know, as soon as he knocked, what happened? My wife said, because distantly related also, wait, I'll tell you something. Listen to me first. My wife told my friend, yes, tell me, what is that you want to tell me? You are all going like this. You stood there in the balcony. Swami was in white robes and he has done like this. Is it not right? Is it not true? He said, amazingly accurate. Amazingly accurate. How did you? The moment you went, I slept with such an amount of deep disturbance. Swami, because of the kids, being a woman and everything, I cannot go. Man can go anywhere like this. This is the one what you have bestowed on me. And I slept. And Swami said, everything has come as a wonderful picture in front of her. My friend said, what a thing, wonderful. Without stepping one, everything Swami has shown you, you are more blessed than we. When once she said, whatever it is, let me also go in the evening. Let me go. When I was so much exhausted and everything, I said, you go. My wife said, I will leave the children at home. I said, no, I can't see children. If they cry, Amma, Amma, I can't bring them. You go to Lodi Estate and everything. No way. Take both of them. I've got two girls. One is almost a baby. The other one is walking. She said, okay. Suddenly she said, let me go or not, because of this, taking the children. Some of our neighbors came, madam, you are going, we will come with you. Because of them, she started. So they all went together to Lodi. What has happened was, by the time, though we had passes and everything, we were given, because she went a little late, the gates were closed. And the whole thing inside is packed. And the outside, Sevadal and also the devotees who have come to his darshan, they were all, large number were outside also. There were ropes, they were holding them. And Swami came downstairs, giving darshan. Suddenly looked at the gate, opened the gate. The gates were opened. Swami slowly, gently walking, smiling. Such a blissful atmosphere was it. Directly came towards my wife and also my daughter. And he blessed and said, created Vibhuti. That was in 1977. That was the beginning. That means he invited us to become his. Then what is the impact? What is that impact with us? Impact that, in fact, when God talks to us, when God knocks to us, it always means you are very precious and you have an important role to play in the world. That's how the message went for us.